The kind of cuisine that we offer here in Red Mesa is very different, compared to a lot of Mexican restaurants. By focusing on ingredients that indigenous used to use back in the days, we work very hard on elaborating the menus with the help of my sous chefs. That's what makes the difference, that we really enjoy what we're doing. We're focusing on that flavor.
I think that my experience working here and living in Mexico and knowing about all these ingredients that we have, I think I'll bring a lot of freshness to the competition.
We're very excited because we'll be able to show, what Red Mesa is about, and also it will allow my sous chef to participate in stuff that he hasn't done in a long time. I mean, he's never really done it.
I'm nervous because I've never done anything like that, and I'm also really excited because I know I can have fun there and maybe prove a little bit of what I've learned through all these years working here.
It's kind of hard to say because you really don't expect what's going on.
I was just talking to chef the other day. I've never cooked jackfruit, so I don't think I want to see that.
So it would just be really interesting what's there, and knowing some of the stuff that we know how to execute here, I think it would be a challenge, but at the same time, it'd be a lot of fun. So, we try to really make flavors or combine ingredients that no other Mexican restaurants do. We take a pride on that, and we've been doing this for over 20 years. Especially, this is our flagship restaurant right here, and that's what we do.
What we do in every restaurant, we're feeding people. We're like helping and feeding other people that have less or can't afford to eat. That means a lot to me. It means like helping the community. That's done a lot for me. It fills me like when I see people eating my food and they just enjoy it and I see them happy. I think that's what I love to cook.